So I actually wrote this song. I heard that my dad was like in the hospital, and that it like was serious, and so I was just thinking about my dad, and I was like, and just trying to put my feelings into the song. And so I actually wrote this before he passed, and then when we were saying our goodbyes, I was like, I don't know what to say, and so I'm going to sing you this song. And so I sang this to him before he died. So I'm sure at the end. This is called A Letter to My Daddy. A letter to my daddy. You've been on my mind lately. Remember that time I was 5? We walked to the beach. I didn't have my suit, but you let me run in freely. Daddy always says, never forget me. Couldn't if I tried. I see you in my eyes, in my cheeks, in my feet, in my hair. You're everywhere. You're everywhere. You're everywhere. A letter to my daddy. You've been in my heart lately. I remember you tickling me till I couldn't breathe, smiling so hard it hurt my cheeks. Oh, Daddy always said, never forget me. Couldn't if I tried. I see you in my eyes, in my cheeks, in my feet, in my hair. You're everywhere. You're everywhere. You're my dad would always say that. Never forget me. I'd be like, why do you say that? You just be like, I don't want you to forget me. And my dad never forgot his dad. He always talked about his dad all the time. And I said, you never forgot your dad. Why would you forget me? And he said, well, you're not mean. I just so I'll never forget.
Thank you so much, Sarah, for that beautiful song.